Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the latest tips and tricks for maximizing your WhatsApp experience. Today, we're going to explore how to remove a reaction from a group message on WhatsApp using the PC app, thanks to the new update. This feature is super handy if you've accidentally reacted to a message or simply changed your mind. First things first, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your PC. You can do this by navigating to web.whatsapp.com and logging in by scanning the QR code with your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats appear on the screen. Next, enter the group where you want to remove the reaction. Scroll through the chat until you find the message you've reacted to. It's always helpful to ensure you're in the right conversation, especially if your group is active with lots of messages. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the reaction icon next to the message. This icon usually appears as a smiley face or another emoji indicating your current reaction. Once you click on it, you'll see all the reactions you've added. To remove your reaction, simply click on the selected emoji again. This action will prompt a menu to appear, allowing you to choose to remove it. Just click to confirm, and voila! You've successfully removed your reaction from the message. This process is straightforward, but can make a big difference in group chats. Imagine being able to correct a mistaken reaction or change your mind without any fuss. It's all about having control over your interactions, and WhatsApp has made it easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on WhatsApp. Don't forget to explore more of our content for the latest WhatsApp updates and tricks to enhance your messaging experience.